Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? It's your guy, J-Day. Hope all is well. Love and light, everyone. Today, guys, I have a nice dish for you, something I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy. What's on the menu is fried chicken and cheddar cheese jalapeno cornbread waffles. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I got, and then we'll go from there, all right? So I have my chicken breast already cut, cleaned, ready to go. And what I'm going to season my chicken breast with is some Dominican oregano. Y'all know I love the Dominican oregano. I'm gonna use some paprika. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, some onion powder, some adobo, and last but not least, some hot sauce. Yes, salsa picante. Oh yeah, baby. And then I have my dry mix here for my cornbread, which consists of 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal mixed, okay, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar. You're gonna add a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and you're gonna also, salt is optional, a teaspoon of salt, and then 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. And then once you mix everything in, you'll add a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, okay? But when you do the butter, I have the jalapenos already in my pilon here, okay? So I'm gonna melt the jalapenos in the butter, and then I'm gonna add all of my wet ingredients inside this mixture, okay? And then we'll go from there. I have my cast iron skillet ready to go for the fried chicken, and I have my waffle maker. All right, so let me prepare everything, guys, and I'll be right back. You guys be sure to stay tuned, and I'll be back, all right? Okay, guys, I'm back. So let me show you the chicken, guys. Chicken is nice and seasoned, and I forgot to tell you guys, I did add a pack of sazon to my chicken, okay? Now, I have the butter melted here. Jalapenos is gonna go in there. I'm gonna infuse that jalapeno mixture right in there with that butter, okay? So while that's melting, I'm gonna add this jalapeno mixture right in there, okay? And for those of you guys wanna know, I used about one jalapeno, okay? So I'm gonna let that infuse in there, and y'all stay tuned. Let me get everything else prepped, and I'll be right back, all right? Y'all stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let me show you. The jalapenos is nice and infused in that oil, in the butter. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this 1 cup of milk to that dry mixture. And then I'm gonna add this jalapeno infused butter in there, okay? I'm gonna give that a nice stir like that. Mix all the, everything in nicely. And then I'll add the egg in last, only because I don't want the egg to cook from the butter, okay? So, yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll add the egg in last. Oh yeah, baby. And then following the egg, I'll add about a 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese to this batter, okay? So I'm gonna add this egg in. Add that egg right on in there, like that, okay? I got a little shell in there. It's out now. And then I'll mix all of this in here like that. Everything is combined. Smells amazing in here, guys. I got my oil and everything ready to go for the chicken. So I'm gonna mix this, guys, and I'm going to batter up this chicken. And as a matter of fact, guys, I seasoned my flour too with the same ingredients that I seasoned chicken with. The only thing that I didn't add in the flour was the sazon, okay? So y'all stay tuned. Let me prepare everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now the chicken is nice and seasoned and floured up. As you can see, oils is hot. So now I'm going to take this chicken breast and dump it right here in this oil. Just like that there, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah. Take that like that there. I'm gonna let this fry up, guys, until it's nice and golden brown. Love frying in my cast iron skillet. It's a staple, definitely a staple in my household, you feel me? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let this get nice and brown. The batter is ready. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup, like I said, of cheddar cheese to that. Waffle maker is ready to go. Once this chicken gets done, I'll start with the waffles. I don't really want to do the waffles right now because I like my waffles nice and hot. All right, guys? So I'll do the waffles last. So y'all stay tuned for more. As soon as the chicken's done, like I said, we'll prepare the waffles, all right? Y'all stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so the chicken is looking real nice, guys. Looking real nice. I got my, I just added the cheddar cheese to the batter, okay? So I'm gonna mix all of that in like that there. Oh yeah. And as soon as this chicken's done, I'll get started on these cheddar cheese jalapeno cornbread waffles, baby. Oh yeah. Something I know y'all are gonna enjoy, all right? Y'all stay tuned for more. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This chicken is ready to come on now. It's nice and golden brown, baby. The only thing that I forgot to get today, guys, was paper towels. So what I'm gonna do is put the chicken in here and let the grease drain on down like that. Okay, you gotta learn how to improvise. But yeah, it smells amazing in here. Chickenisthebomb.com. Most people that order my fried chicken, they always come back for more. So the recipe that I gave you guys is the same recipe I use for my drumsticks, thighs, and all of that, okay? So I'm gonna put that in there. And now, guys, my cheddar cheese jalapeno cornbread is ready to go in my waffle maker, all right? So I'm gonna turn this heat off and I'm gonna add the batter to my waffle maker and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, guys, so now the batter is in the waffle maker. I'm gonna close this bad boy up and I'm gonna let it do what it do. Y'all stay tuned and I'll be right back for the end result of my jalapeno cheddar cheese cornbread waffles, baby. All right, guys, so I done put the waffle mix in my waffle maker, and this is what the end result is of my jalapeno cheddar cheese cornbread waffles, all right? So I'm gonna put some more of this waffle mix in here, and then I'll be right back, guys, and I'll show y'all the end result, get y'all a taste test of how this tastes here. All right, y'all make sure y'all hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the last batch of these jalapeno cheddar cheese cornbread waffles. Everything is done. I'm about to assemble everything on my plates, and I'll be back for the taste test. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, guys, so this is the end result of my cheddar cheese jalapeno cornbread waffles and fried chicken, baby. Oh, man. This looks amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So now what I'm about to do here is set this bad boy right here. And I'm about to tell y'all how this food tastes, baby. And I know it's good. Oh, man. Let's see. I'm going to take one of these chicken breasts here. One of these waffles. And we gonna see what it do, guys. Which I know is good. I know it is. Put a little syrup on these waffle here. See, the thing that I like about these waffles, it gives you a sweet, a hot and spicy, sweet and spicy kind of a vibe. You know what I mean? For those of you guys who like sweet and spicy, well, this is something I think that you guys are going to enjoy, okay? So let's start off with this crunchy waffle here. Yeah, boy. You can taste the jalapeno. Nice and spicy. Not overly spicy, but you can taste the spice. It's a hint of jalapeno in here. And cheddar cheese. Yeah, man. This is definitely a masterpiece. Definitely a masterpiece. Let me try a piece of this chicken breast here. Nice and juicy too. Let's see how this chicken breast tastes. Slap your mama. The chicken breast is nice and juicy, nice and flavorful. The trick to my fried chicken is the hot sauce, guys. The hot sauce gives it that crunch, gives you a nice crunchy crust on the chicken. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Seasoned, well seasoned too, well seasoned. You see, when you season your chicken and you season your flour, you can't go wrong, baby. You can't go wrong. Oh man. And for me, the breast is the favorite part. I love chicken breast. And it's a lot of people don't like chicken breast for some reason, but my chicken breast, when I prepare it, when I tell you juicy, melt in your mouth, melt in your mouth. Oh man, this is so delicious, guys. Well, with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoy this recipe, please be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support, guys. Until next time, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Peace and love.